Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are gonna be looking at comments in JavaScript. Commenting is a way to leave notes to yourself, to other developers, and make our JavaScript code inactive. So let's see them in action. There are two ways of writing comments in JavaScript. The first one is single line comment. To write a single line comment, you just write two forward slash, and everything that you write after this will be a comment. So this is a single line comment. The second way is multi-line comment, just like in CSS, forward slash, asterisk, asterisk, and forward slash. This is a multi-line comment. Also, you can make a JavaScript code inactive. For example, var name equals to name. Console.log. Yeah, let's save it DSO. Now you can use single line comment to make this inactive, or you can use multi-line comment. Now that was commenting in JavaScript. I'll see you in the next one.